We're gonna show you how to use your turbo tank cleaner, the world's #1 tool for cleaning out water heaters. Be sure to read the detailed instructions and safety precautions that come with the tool before proceeding. First, turn off the power and water supply to the water heater and allow the water to cool. Once that's done, open the tank's drain valve to relieve the pressure. If water continues to flow out fast, stop and fix the problem before continuing. Remove the drain valve and insert the tool. A small amount of water will be lost. If this is a problem, the tank can be drained and refilled after insertion. Once the tool is inside, attach a common garden hose and a cordless drill to the tool. Run that hose outside to a bucket. You want to turn the water back on and spin the tool slowly with the drill. The sediment is stirred up by the agitator, pulled inside by the auger, turn into a slurry in the grinding chamber, then discharge out of the hose. At this point, the sediment is being trapped in the bucket and the water flows over the top. You may need more than one bucket. Once you see a small amount of sediment going through the chamber, stop the tool. At this time, turn the water supply off, reinsert the drain valve. At this time, you can turn your water and power supply back on. Now you know how to use your turbo tank cleaner and enjoy all the hot water for a fraction of the cost.
Put a turbo tank cleaner in your tank and keep your